got something?
Hey.
You got something? Slow down. Oh, I told you. Oh, yes. Bring it over. Yeah. Oh, man, big, what is that? Bass. But this one's been biting. I don't know what it is, so I finally got it. No, it's a puss. It's a puss.
Perch?
It's a puss, right?
Is it?
Heaven. No, it's a puss.
I think
Let me see.
Perch.
It's a...
No, it's
No.
not a bass.
It's not a bass, it's a perch.
Not a bass.
It's a perch, yeah. We've been fishing and this thing's been biting and then finally got it.
Does it have another line?
No, it's not. It's a perch. Finally got him this time. And you break the record of the smallest fish ever. Yeah. At least it put it back. So it's second fish. This guy is dissecting a fish or what? Evan's number 2, am I right? Number 2, yep, put in there. We use it as bait when we catch for salmon. Star? Oh yes, I got something. Bring it in. Perch again. Okay, release it. Good job. I think that's the one that tried to bite me. No?
No.
Okay, release it. So Star got something. It's a tiny PV bass. Unhook it.
Bird. It's a bird.
Angel finally got a fish.
The helicopter.
Oh no, that's a bullhead.
Oh.
Yeah, bring it here. Let me see. Bring it down. Not on my head. Please. It's a bullhead. Yep.
Okay.
Never seen it in there. Okay, start. Get the metal thing. Take it out.
It's not even that far.
Oh, okay then. Yank it out then.
Bring it out.
Whoa! That's the one biting you.
I got angels.
Yay! Thank you.
No, it's right there. You can eat it.
Oh no.
Use here. Use it, Angel.
Just use it.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to get that little thing?
Long
5
time.
5-6 minutes.
Around there.
We lose.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that it wasn't an hour.
No.
Also, if you have this kind of fish or the
We're
other,
keeping this?
Yep, in there.
you have to
For bait. Keep it for bait.
come back. Now it's back.
We cut this up for bait.
Fish is
I
up.
got angel.
It's bullhead it's called.
It's a bullhead.
Can you get it? Too small.
Keep on closing their mouth.
Come on.
You really can't see mine. You did a good job. What? You did a good job.
And mommy wants some action.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Look at the hook, have no bait. And she's fishing with no bait. ไม่มีเหยื่อเลย ไอ้บ้านนอก she's คนบ้านนอก คนบ้านนอกเลยไม่รู้จะกลับปลา Okay, wait. Got it out yet? So, all right, haven't got another one. No, man, new record. Good job.
The same ones?
Nope. This is different.
Here.
The biggest one we have.
That is the biggest one, the biggest purse ever. Man, humongous. Get down here. Move this away. See. Oh man, that's big. Okay, let's drop it down. It's a good day fishing today. Beautiful lake.
Baba.
What? Oh, I got that one on video tape. Mom finally got one. Wow. On finally got one.
นี่ได้1 ตัว วันมัน
One fish.
โนชะ
Wow, that's this guy. That's a small one. Put it back. Throw it back. Yeah. Too small.
มันปีก
Clean up. We're gonna go home. He's done, but he got another one. So fast.
This one too small.
Yeah, no, keep that one.
Keep this one.
Yeah.
Open.
Today it was a success fishing day. So many fish here. Look at this. Perch. And maybe it's a bait, crab bait. It's a wonderful, fun day today. So much fish.